For the longest time, I dreamed about having a Lexus LS460, and I'm happy to report that I finally got one. Mine's not in mint condition, it's actually broken, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. And with that, here's my story of how I got this car. I had stalked this car for weeks and weeks and weeks and saved every penny that I got from my job and skipped the coffee and the fast food just so I would have enough money to get this car. And it was such a frightening experience seeing that I was being outbid, but in the end I did prevail and I had won this car. This is my brand new Copart win. This is a 2009 Lexus LS460 that I got at Copart for a relatively decent amount, if you ask me. It's pretty nice. It just has a little bit of work it needs. As you can see, it's the fender. There's part of the bumper. The headlights got messed up pretty good. The hood, it's pretty rough. Turns out the previous owner of this car actually ran into a brick wall. How I know that was there's brick pieces and half of a brick laying in the fender underliner. But hopefully I'll be able to get this restored. I got some of the parts coming on order and hopefully should be able to restore it to its former glory. The only other thing is this car is filthy. I don't know if you can see just how bad that is. It's filthy, like really filthy in here. Especially like the door here. Maybe it was used for Uber or something, but it's completely filthy. There's like a piece missing out of the seat back there, like it was eaten by a chihuahua or something. The driver's side, the leather's cracked pretty bad here, and it's dirty, cracking. This is eaten away by piranhas or something. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do with it is I got some cleaning stuff. Got the shop vac. I'm gonna clean this thing out pretty good. give it a small detail. Shampoo the carpets because that is bad. I'll shampoo the carpets, and then the inside will be done and clean, and then I can wait till the parts get here, test fit them, make sure everything works, and then take it apart to assess the damage. But the interior, every time I sit in this car, I just want to get like Lysol and clean both me and the car at the same time, so I'm gonna get done with that first. So we have it fairly cleaned up. Some of this hard to clean off stuff I'm gonna have to come back with some like degrease or something to clean off, like that natural orange stuff, to see if that'll come off. But the floor, absolutely filthy, and the rest are even worse. So we got the carpet cleaner and the drill, and now let's see how much dirt we can extract just from this floor alone. So this is just the first pass, and see all that dirty water. Get it on there. Looks a little bit better. Not a lot, but I'm gonna go through a few more times and get it all cleaned up. And I have some carpet aids, pre-treatments, to see if I can get out even more stubborn stains, but this is gonna take a while for that one, and for these carpets as well that are really, really dirty. But let's get to it, I guess.